So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure the bolts are running true and concentric, and if they're out of whack, I can just give them a tap into place with a hammer.
That's pretty good.
Now I'm just going to use a center drill to drill a hole so we can use our live center to support the end of the bolt. So each of these are going to be 30 mil in length. We're going to have 20 mil of threaded bolt, and that will go through the plate, and then we will have another area that is 10 mil long, and we will machine that down to become the pin. So that's all of our pins machined. I have made 3 different sizes. The most common we find is 10 mil, 12 mil and 13 mil. But if I do come across a different size, I can... So with all that done, now we can get these assembled. Those went together exactly how I wanted them to. As you can see, they are extremely heavy duty. We are going to be able to put a cheater bar or a piece of pipe on the ends of the spanners in order to put extra pressure on them. And we can even hit them with a big hammer without worrying about breaking them, and they were designed in such a way that if we damage the pins, they are easily replaced because they are simply made from bolts. So that's this job completed. Thanks for watching.